Here's what happens when you don't take care of yourself. This is what I did to my body. Obesity, high blood pressure, insulin dependence, heart arrhythmia, 2 stents in my heart, type 2 diabetes, diabetic macular edema, monthly eye injections for a year, multiple laser eye surgery, kidney problems, liver problems, 5 trigger fingers surgeries, Peyronie's disease, 12 emergency room visits, sleep apnea. One point, after a 2-week hospital stay, I was on 12 freaking different medicines. That was my life. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. I did that. Every bit of that. Not genetics, not bad luck, not stress, my job, my family, me. Years of bad food, alcohol, 15 years of smoking, no discipline, no movement, no accountability. I built that life, I earned it, one bad decision at a time. But here's the part that matters. If you can build it, you can tear it down. And that's exactly what I started doing. Stopped drinking completely. Off cigarettes now for 14 years. Changed the way I eat. Simple food, meat. Meat only, no garbage, whole foods. Started walking every day, multiple times. Even when I didn't want to. Took complete responsibility for every decision I've ever made. Slowly, things started changing. Blood sugar started to come down. My weight dropped. Energy's way back. Not fixed, but I'm not dying anymore either. It's a huge difference. Most people think it's too late, but it isn't. You're just not willing to be uncomfortable enough to fix it. It takes discipline. Consistency is the key, and a little bit of time. But I promise you, the pain of change is nothing compared to the pain of staying the same. If you're sitting there right now, sitting down, overweight, on medication, scared of what's coming next, I see you. I was you. And if I can turn this around at 57, you can too. Start small. Go for a walk. 1 clean meal. Skip alcohol. Just for today. And then again tomorrow. Small little things compiled. That's how you take your life back. For years, I was in the Midwest, sitting on the couch in an unhappy situation, hating my life, dying. Actually, scratch that. Killing myself. Let's call it what it is. Let's act like we know what we're doing to ourselves. You're not living bad, you're killing yourself. So if you're sitting there and you want a change, hit that subscribe button. Watch me for a couple of days. Listen, learn, join the group so everybody can get something from me. And now every day, a couple times a day, I'm out here on this water. Accountability for me, trying to help you. You can do it. Hit that subscribe button. If you're in and want to change your life, type the comment, I'm in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.